Okay, so I took this exhaust off of the bike. This is what comes stock. It weighs about 17 or 20 pounds. Look how big it is. So this is the stock exhaust that comes with the Honda Rebel 2024. And this is a Cheapo Depot shorty from Amazon.com. It's super loud. I haven't been able to find lots of reviews on it except for that people like how it sounds and they like how it looks. But I'm wondering about like, how does it affect your ride? How does it affect the engine? How does it affect like everything else? Because I'm pretty new to this. And then this is what it sounds like. I think it sounds great, but that's just me.